Welcome to aMiSTACX deployment for Laravel 10 with optional React.JS, Node.JS, and RDS. We will start by getting the usage instructions from AWS Marketplace. Copying the usage information to a text editor is suggested for easy reference. Make sure you review the listing terms, pricing, and please ask all questions before you deploy. The CloudFormation template will allow you to select various options for deployment. Note, instance sizes can be changed post-deployment, and we recommend the default settings. We suggest you install the CloudWatch agent. You can select local database, remote RDS, or no database. The local database option deploys php-myadmin. For Laravel you can select 10, 9, or 8. The Laravel 8 option deploys with PHP 8.1. The Node.js option allows deployment of version 18, 19, or 20. You can lock down SSH port 22 post-deployment. Deployment time will vary. Typically, with the default options and the CloudWatch agent, you can expect about a 15-minute deployment. It is suggested you enable termination protection on the deployment script. Otherwise, your entire deployment could be accidentally deleted. Wait for initialization to complete, and take the time to name your instance and get the IP address. Register for A51, and access the main dashboard to see your newly deployed instance. Note, new accounts must wait 24 to 48 hours prior to registration. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. If you don't see your instance, use the manual sync button in the dashboard header. Setting up an automated EC2 and RDS backup is easy with the backup scheduler. Here we added our public Elastic IP address to the usage instructions we saved earlier on Notepad. Make sure port 8080 is open, and accept the certificate warning. You will see the HTML usage instructions, and we will also confirm the main application. In our demo, we use WinSCP to connect to our EC2. Database connection information is found in the Laravel database config file.